Hi, welcome to my tutorial on how to use Wavecast from Just For You Online UK. I'm using one coat, Apex one coat resin. I've decided to use open water blue pigment paste and the blue-green chameleon powder. Mixing them together. I'm going to add a bit of the open water blue into each shell, a bit of the blue-green chameleon powder into each shell, and then top it up with a little bit of clear. Creates lovely effects, adding the clear, make them look like a little rock pool. Leave it to cure for 2 hours. Then you can use your Wavecast. It's really simple. Just need a paintbrush. You can colour it, you can add glitter to it. I'm just leaving it as it is. And brush a layer onto the cured resin in sort of lines, making a textured look. I'm doing it to the other one. This Wavecast dries in about 40 minutes, properly dry in 1 to 2 days, but you can add another layer after 40 minutes. I like to use 2 layers on my shells. And once they're dry, it creates an amazing ripple effect, as if the breeze is blowing across the water. And that's how to use Wavecast from Just For You Online UK.